Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a flowchart in Microsoft Word easily step by step. So if you want to create diagrams, workflows or simple process charts, Word has everything built in. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Microsoft Word application, then click on the option of blank document. So this is going to give you a clean space where you can build your flow chart. Over here, hover over to the top left and click on the option of insert. Over here, click on the option of shapes and you need to scroll to the flow chart section. Over here in the flowchart section, choose the shapes like Terminator, that is from start to end. You can select the process box, you can select the decision diamonds, and you can even select the arrows. So after clicking on the shape, you just have to draw it on your page just like so. Now click the shape and start typing. Here the words automatically turns every shape into the text box, so you can describe each step clearly. Like if I start typing over here, I can type anything. And now you need to go back to the insert tab again, then click on the option of shapes again, and here you need to look for the option of lines. In the lines we have a bunch of different arrows, so you need to select it and drag it from the one shape to the next. So you can do it something like this. To keep the line straight, you can hold the shift as well, and this is going to draw a straight line, as you can see, just like so. Now this is going to make your flowchart look clean and professional. You can also format your flowchart by using the shape formats that are given here on the top. You can fill the change, the borders, the text style, alignment, anything. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.